Hi, I'm Theo with JDS Industries, and today we're going to showcase our Laserable Leatherette Pet Collars. We have 4 different sizes that come in 7 different colors. We have the blue and the black that will laser to silver, and the rest that will laser to black. When lasering the Leatherette Pet Collars, there's a few things that you'll want to take note. The first thing I've done is lasered the template onto some masking tape in my laser. That way you'll know where to place the pet collar as well as placing your artwork. You can find all of these templates on our website. The next step in lasering the pet collars is to make sure that the collar stays flat. I use some extra masking tape to tape it down to make sure you have a nice level lasering surface. If you've used any of our Leatherette products before, we recommend that you start with those settings. After the lasering is done, you can always use LA Awesome to clean up any of the soot and debris that's on there. If you have any other questions, give us a call at the number below or visit us on our website. Thanks for watching.